So I'm going to show you how to use the assistive ball on your OnePlus 15. So if you go into settings and then scroll down to accessibility and convenience, tap on that. If you scroll down, you will see assistive ball. So you tap on that. So the first thing you need to do to be able to use it is to enable it. So that's why you can enable or disable the assistive ball. Now, as soon as that is enabled, you will see that assistive ball just floating on your screen. On any screen, it's going to be just floating. You can either put it on the right hand side or on the left hand side, and you can adjust the position to your liking at any time. So it's always going to be there floating. Okay, so now what does this assistive ball do? You can use the tap menu. So basically you can tap on it and have this tap menu. So you have this screenshot menu, you can have this menu option, you can lock the screen, you can go home, and of course these are all things you can customize. Okay, now if you prefer to use gestures, you can just switch to gesture operations, and then you have the gestures. So you can tap once to go back, double tap to open recent tasks. So for instance, if I double tap, it opens recent tasks as it says here. If I touch and hold, it goes home like that. Okay, so you can choose how you want to operate that assistive ball. Now also you can adjust the opacity of that assistive ball. So if you find it intrusive, you can just put the opacity somewhere close to as transparent as possible, and also you can choose to hide or show it in full screen using this button. So that is the assistive ball, and that's how you can enable it, customize it, and use it on your OnePlus 15. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.